calling him right away. Hello, brother.
The People's Governor.
Ndewo. Because Ndewo, this is a conference call. Mr. Ekene Humphrey on this call now. On this call. Now, before I go further, I actually made you get one question. Did you pay me money to speak for you? Did you pay me money? Did you pay me money?
You request any funding from me. You requested no funding from me.
We did not charge you any money. Okay. All right. So go ahead. Can you go ahead and repeat it?
Yeah, the people.
All right. Go ahead.
I said you didn't charge me any money and I didn't pay you any funding regarding to this issue.
Okay. Thank God. All right. So repeat the thing. Repeat it again so that Yama no we aga no ihikuru.
Okay. First of all, I thank you for the privilege. This young man in question being Ekene Humphrey. I came to him because I'm having a challenges back home. How I come to know this young man. Then I come to him to check consultation for me. After said and done, he told me things he need to tell me. Then which I forwarded the account to my woman to send him 10,000 naira in his own account in this Mr. Igbo. That was how my woman got his account number. So after said and done, I paid this guy almost 300 and something thousand naira for the job. He didn't deliver that one. He claims that he worked that one, which he never worked anything for me. That one aside, I'm still coming for that one. Then on 20th, being Tuesday last week, so I sent money for my woman, so she can now send the money to a specific account which the people I did business with. So along the process, my woman now mistakenly paid the money to this man's account. 3,050,000 naira.
3,050,000.
Immediately my woman, yes, 3,050,000 naira. As of 20th of last week, my woman paid me that money mistakenly. And my woman showed me the payment slip. She now sent the payment slip to me. Once I looked at the name, I said, no, this is not bearing the particular name which I asked you to pay into. This is another different account. I have to trace the account. Lo and behold, it was this particular name, this particular man name that appears there. Okay. My woman told me she has called this man on phone requesting for the refund of the money. She pleaded. First of almost, she pleaded this man that is he this thing, Mr. Igbo Humphrey? The man said yes. Okay, now my woman told him that she mistakenly paid money into his account, which is 3,050,000 naira. This man acknowledged first. You understand?
Okay.
Then after saying, he now asks my woman, where is she calling from? Where is she? That question, I guess that question he was trying to investigate if my woman was actually in the bank that moment. My woman now responded, where she is right away has nothing to do with the refundment of the money. Then now, the man now threatening my woman, he will do this, he will do that, diabolically, based on his local powers he hasn't. That he will destroy my woman, this, that. Whether my woman knows the particular person she sent the money to, that is a native doctor. Okay, when my woman called me, I said, okay, let her relax, let me call myself. I gave this man a very long time, towards the evening time, to call him. I said, okay, my woman really paid money into your account. He now told me, yes, there was a woman, there was a lady that called him, telling him the same story. I said, yes, that was my woman. He now told me that the phone that the phone is right with his houseboy. That the guy traveled to what is it called, Enugu, Soka. Okay, I told him, okay, since this thing happened, you have to call your boy. Ask him if true he really gets any notification of 3,050,000 naira on that phone. If yes, then you have to call your bank manager in order to reverse the money back. He now told me that he cannot call it. Okay, he started dribbling me that time. I was telling him, call this guy. He told me, okay, that the guy went for burial. I think you're getting me. The guy went for burial in Enugu State. Meanwhile, my woman has already called the customer care, telling them that she mistakenly paid 3,050,000 naira. They now have to freeze the account. You see in it. I talked to this man. Call your boy in question so that he can refund the money. Only adequate of him saying another thing. Okay, you told me I should have a passion. I should exercise patience that the guy will come back on this thing. What is it called? On the Thursday. You seen it? That Thursday now, when the Thursday reached, he now told me that
He's making call. He's making call. Just so that.
Continue.
All right, go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead, brother. Just make it brief. Make it brief. Maybe all the busy.
No. Okay. Let me just brief it. So, I want to like that his boy will come back on. He will be expecting his boy from Thursday and Friday. Okay, now Thursday I called him. He told me now he's not expecting him on Friday again or Saturday. Fine and good. I now still called him on Friday. He told me I should not call him regarding to this money again. I should just feel relaxed. He's not going to eat my money. I said okay, but this is a business money, and I pay this money in euro, which the rates that I converted this money is not going to be the same rate again. He never told me anything. Then on that Friday, on Saturday, I still called this man again. He now told me there was a statement he made because I reported him in his community, most of his friends. I reported him there. He told me that if I should report this issue to anybody, that I should bear it in mind that I'm not going to see that money any longer. That the money will just go like that. Even Abekwanogo, when it comes to juju, he will follow me. When it comes to money, he will spend and I will spend. Okay. On Saturday, I called him. He didn't pick my call again. He later blocked me and unblocked me again. Last, on Sunday, he told me now on Sunday. Sunday, I called him. I want to confirm if your guy is back. He now told me if I'm done with complaining, me and him started exchanging words. You seen it? We started exchanging words. He now told me last that I'm not going to see that my money again. That he will kill me with the power he has, destroy my wife, do this, do that. I said okay. For that, you will explain this thing in that aspect of killing, threatening. You will explain it for me. And secondly, you are going to pay me my money. He told me that he's going to eat that money. I tell him that he cannot eat my father in 1 naira. He now told me that I will not buy a cow. I will buy a cow for him. I say I'm going to buy a cow. On which aspect, for which reason? You stole my money, I mistakenly paid money into your account. You never give me my money. I followed you gently. You were dribbling me. Now you are saying it as an insult. And you are requesting a cow from me. I said I'm not going to. You are not even going to see a chicken feather from me.
Okay, don't worry, don't worry. Brother. Brother, don't worry. Forget about the threatening aspect. I think you sent me some things like this, but don't worry. Right now, just give him 1 minute. Give him some time to equally say something. If they are similar to this, then if I have anything to say, then I will say.
Okay, let him say. I still have evidence, even the voice note.
Don't worry. Now,
okay.
I want you to pick a point here. While you were talking, he did not say anything. Did you remember?
Okay. Yeah, I know.
So while he's talking now, you wait.
All right.
All right. Okay. Hello, sir. Go ahead.
Wait, I'll come back later. Hello?
Hello, sir. Go ahead. We are here.
I want to ask him a question.
Okay, Joy.
I want to ask him, when he called me about that money, what do I tell you? Just let him talk, I told him.
Now, when he called you, what did you say to him, please?
When I called about that money, what do I tell you? Hello?
Okay, remind him, sir. Remind him if he cannot remember.
I told him my woman mistakenly paid money into his account, which he responded, yes, someone really did call him saying the same thing. I told him it was my woman at the first time. Hello.
Okay, sir.
When we are discussing about that money on Friday, this is my second question again. When do I told you concerning that money, and when do I say that my money is coming back? Okay. Never mind.
All right.
This man in particular.
Okay, my brother, hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. Sir, please, Mr. Humphrey, I have a message. I have a question I want to ask you. Did you acknowledge the payment of 3 million naira?
Not 3 million.
3 million 50,000, sir. Did you acknowledge it?
Are you asking a question?
No, sir. I'm asking you, sir. Did you acknowledge that they paid in 3 million 50,000 naira into your account, sir? Did you confirm to him that you saw that your boy saw the money or you saw the money?
I confirmed to him, and I told him that as long as the money is there, the money is in my account, that that nobody is going to eat his money, then he should wait. Let my boy come back so that we can take and send the money back to him. I'll see whether I don't do something like this.
Okay. Since then, my brother, hold on. I don't want argument. Just relax. I have my points here.
Okay.
I have my points here. Sir, the money that was paid into your account, is it your boy that gets alert, your own alert?
Who is asking this question now?
Governor Zoku is the one asking.
Yes, that is my office account. Any money that sent to that account, the alert will go to that my boy. It's my boy that is the account. The alert, not me.
Okay, sir. Don't be offended. Your boy acknowledged that he saw 3 million naira, 3 million 50,000.
You said?
Did your boy acknowledge the payment of 3 million 50,000?
My boy has never denied that for one day.
Okay.
And that is why I'm already giving him full confidence that the money will pay. But today, wait till last until my boy come back. Nobody has denied that money for even a half day. What we are telling him that for him to wait, let my boy come back so that we can send the money back to him. Ask him, you know what I'm telling for us.
Okay, sir. Sir, is it that your boy cannot go to bank from where he is and forward the money back to this guy? Because if it enters Saturday, it is now weekend. And according to him, he says it is business money.
Like I told you, you understand? Who is talking like he doesn't
Governor is asking. It's Governor Ezioku.
Okay, yeah. Governor. Are you listening my voice?
Yes, I'm listening.
My boy tell me the truth. He told me that when he saw the money, and I did not tell him that I'm expecting such amount of money. So he forwarded the money. Although he called me. Let me just be sincere to you. He called me for the first time before the woman even called me. My boy already called me. Tell me that am I entitled to a lot of money? I said no. They asked me, do I give anybody bill that is for work for a lot of money? I said no. He said okay. But I was very busy by that time. I didn't ask him what is the problem or this or that. I'm very, very busy. I'm on New York meeting and work appointment. So it's when the woman called me on phone. He said, the woman that is on phone, can you realize he said that how to do that my boy in home. That is why I'm giving them confidence that the money will not lost. But now, my boy asked me a question, and I said no, that I'm not able to such amount of money. He now moved the money to his own personal account, not my personal account. Since I said that I'm not entitled to money, so he now moved the money to his own private account, not my personal account.
Then, okay, sir, don't be offended though. Your boy has the Governor Zoku is asking now. Your boy has the capacity to transfer 3,050,000 naira from your personal account into his own account.
That is my business account, not my personal account. And he's the one that's controlling the account, not me.
Okay.
Like my Facebook now, there is someone that's controlling my Facebook. There is someone that's controlling my WhatsApp. Are you getting my point now?
Yes.
So he transferred the money to his own personal account. So when this thing was going on, I called my boy and said, what happened? He opened up to me, tell me the truth. He told me the truth. He said, okay, if he come back, then he will go to the bank and do upgrade because of the bank that he's using cannot carry such amount of money. He said he will come back and go and do upgrade so that you can transfer money to them. And now, look at what is the problem. There is somebody that send money to that account, almost 400 and something thousand naira for me to work for him. The other one said 600. So the 600 is including the one my son transferred to most of his account before the 400 jumped in. Okay, now for we to go and make it the 400, the 400 hang up. Okay, I told him to confirm to his own personal account to bank to know whether they are the one that holding the 400. So that if they are the one that holding the 400, let them transfer the 400 to his own account so that I will not transfer 2.6 million to them. Are you getting my point now?
Yes.
So he now told me to go to my bank. Put you see me and Ogaji to go to bank yesterday. So the bank said let them give signal to their own bank. They say when they give signals, they say that the money is gone, the money is there. That money is there. You can see that money in my account, but you cannot transfer it. You cannot go ask. You cannot have any access to it. So we are not trying to know whether the 400 when you hand of their bank or my own. So if they transfer the money to me, but I will not transfer 3 million to them. Or if they have transferred the money to them, I will transfer 3.6 million to them.
Okay, sir. I understand you, But now, I want to say something here, While we wait for the 400, while we wait to clear the story of the 400 or what happened to the 400,000, can you send 2,650,000 naira to this man today?
I can send 2 million since that I didn't write now. This guy is saying that I use the 3 million to go and buy things. He said I use 3 million to go and buy things. I can send the money even as I'm talking to you now. My boy can send the money. It's really free working right now. Okay, sir. See, there is no any day I plan to eat anybody money. I've never, every day since 2001 we die. There has never been any complaint in my house. Okay. These people they insult me a lot. I heard that when they insulted you, you said that they will beg you with 1 cow. Yes, I said it. I am a Catholic man. That you cannot insult me when I told you to come down. That's what they say. You start giving complaints to everybody. Okay. Complain that. Some people are for what? Okay. I am Governor Zoku says I am very, very sorry for that. Don't be offended, sir. Sir, I want to honor you as a chief. I want to honor you as one of the best and greatest people in Okija. How will I do that, sir? I want you to help me send him 2,650,000 naira. Maybe I should just drop this call. Then we will take our time to wait for the 400,000 naira.
I will really appreciate, sir. Sir.
Send me your account number right now on my WhatsApp. I will send you money. But that money should not transfer to them until don't people they call to report to me. Don't people they call. Don't people they say terrible this about me. Until they still go back to them and say that money is not the problem.
No. Only Governor Zoku will do that, sir. Only Governor Zoku will do that. Don't be offended for the insult. Maybe they must have rendered on you. I am very, very sorry about that. What I am begging now is because he explained certain things that his business, his stay overseas is at stake right now. So just help him send the 2,650,000 naira first. Then the 400 we can wait till when your boy, when his own wife goes and confirm the money. The other one that it is not in the account. Then later you can send the 400, sir.
Hello.
Sir?
I'm going to within 10 minutes now.
Can I ask this man a question before he goes out?
Hold on, brother. Hold on. Allow him to talk. Hold on. Okay, sir. Go ahead. Okay. Oro na bia o. Oro na.
Send the account. Send the account. Maria, you send me.
Okay, sir.
I will attest it, but you will see the alert before 5 minutes now.
Okay, sir.
You won't see anything from my hand.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Even the one that even told me today, even the one that is even telling me today, that I pay the money in a hard way, that I will do this, that I will do.
You will pay it in a hard way.
Don't worry, sir. Don't worry, sir. No. Don't be offended, sir. I love. Yes, sir. The account Abiarola, sir. Send the account. So I want to stop the call and wait for 5 minutes. Yes, sir.
I'm driving and I'm going straight to my house. You can see what I'm doing now. I will send you money and make sure the cover account.
I've sent it now. Prince Madabuchenyi.
Your own account is that?
That is my own account. It is my account.
No problem. I will send you money.
The money. Ego, ne? No problem, sir. No problem. Okay, go there. I'll continue your business here, sir. Because, sir. No. Here was another condition. It's a 5 minutes. From 5 minutes. It's a 5 minutes. It's a 5 minutes. Oh, it's a 5 minutes. No, sir. It's a 5 minutes. From 5 minutes, you said Nela Rone beginner Imeya. Now you move to another one. Oga or Jig.
He's the one that called Jig and the Jig and the telling police for long now. He's the one that called Jig for this. He's the one that sent this to Jig.
Sir.
And the Jig and the telling police.
Sir.
So please, I'm begging, let him call Jig.
Sir, nobody is calling Jig. Nobody is calling Jig on this. Either you send the money to my account or you send to his own wife's account. It's the same name. How send the other but one name. And you can still send back to that same account, even without that self. Let his money be paid back to him. Why?
Let me know why I say to call Jig. The Jig, online. The Jig is like my edition online. And since when this is happening, the Jig is not as in on a body as them like culture. So, come on, I think online.
Oga, there is nobody is calling Jik. I'm saying this in the fullness of Ndi Igbo. Nobody is calling Jik, sir. You said 5 minutes. 5 minutes, you move to your house. This kind of statements are not acceptable in the public. I think as a chief, village, this is wrong. It's a 5 minutes. 5 minutes, you said when you get to house, is also accepted. The next thing, you move to Jik. No. It's unacceptable, sir. Biko, with all due respect. Sir, I will not. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Governor Soku will wait between now till this evening, sir. I expect the money to be paid to him. That is all I know I can say. If it exists today, to the glory of God, we'll see what happens next. Thank you very much. My brother, now let me talk to you on this call. Let me talk to you. Come see me, eh? If I call people like this, don't challenge the person. Okay. Don't challenge the person. I don't accept it, no matter what it takes. I don't accept it. Okay, happen the person call Neku. And let me tell you one thing. Okay. This thing should be a message to you. This thing, I'm not supposed to go here because I'm calling you from a live streaming. Omaro no live camera can no boy. He doesn't know. So I'm gonna drop his number here after this night. If the money is not received this night, okay? We'll give you numbers and tell you what to do with those numbers. Even if your wife is not there, I will follow up. My lawyers will follow up. That is all I know I can tell you. But I am not supporting you for going to a native doctor. Then your family. You've lost 300,000 naira, right?
Exactly.
You lost 300 naira first. Before you know it again. You have staked another 3 million something. When I talk to people, they don't understand. I am not accusing him until when it is time that the money was not sent back to us. All these things are on record. The thing he said here, I have called him on the phone before. I think I told you. Yes, after your complaint, I called him on phone and I recorded it. Ejimia here. Comparing what he said there and what he said here now. I don't want to say whether they are two different things, but all of us have understanding now. So, when you make your money from abroad, the blessings of God does not come from shrine. It comes from above. A lot of people will continue becoming victims. This was how somebody sent 500,000 naira mistakenly to an Ndoka. Somebody now that she got an Ndoka ate that money. Mbankuroku, mputana internet, what happened? Said my experience. Ndoka tugaria na governor zoku na bia saria moto. Look at that rat. That I was his boy on the internet. And some of his and don't send the recharge card 1,000 naira. We are believing him. Even J-Pack heard it and laughed. Mweta Ndoka kuri go me first with aka. Mbonya can Zuzu gari that thing about one kepu moto then. Emeka was using Mercedes, Abi? Formatic. Because now some people are there put online, they are called Jiwe, call everywhere, so many things. Onya roll on him a quarter plot of land. And is that enough reason for him to stand? Because in a Aruda project, you don't need to defraud anybody for you to build your own empire. This was what happened. He has taken my name round on a cut or say nonsense. Spiritually, always baby. Physically, what happened was, even some of my fans, what happened, some of these people from Hachok, I'm gonna have a video. Maybe can you go around one bottle of wine? I know about a video with me. Later you go and post it that you are with Governor Zoku. He's your man, he's your friend. At the end of the day, people goes there and become victim. So give one Dibia now. Ishi go Potalania. Be careful. Be careful. Let us wait. I'm going to stop now. I'm going to drop this call. Let us wait. I thank God the general public, they are my witness. They are my witness. They are my witness. So I will wait. We will wait till the evening time. A boss no promotion, we will promote him more. Every Ndi Igbo agbata ụgwọ, oge agbatara here, agbata here with the red eye. Their shrine closed from that day. I got Joe, many of them. They are hungry right now. So I don't want to insult him yet for now. The post I made first was an invitation. So, can the man witness? I will be saying these things online and people will never agree. But thank God for today. Thank you very much. I'll get back to you. Go. So, brothers, be careful. I know even after saying this, you still be a victim. I know many of you will still be victims. Tell you. Don't say I didn't tell you. Never you be a victim for no reason whatsoever. If you mistakenly transfer money into my account and I acknowledge it, I'm going to forward the money back to you immediately. This matter will be brought before the Great Shanamites, members of the Great Shanamite Court of Justice. Only if it is sit today. This one not be only me go follow fight this one. All of us we go join body climb this one. This one will not be treated in Anambra State. This one will be treated far. Even my members, everybody got contribute to share their strength. So I will respect him for now. Be careful. Don't say I didn't tell you. And you failed to share this video. Did you share it? Did you share it? Preach to somebody somewhere with this. Talk to somebody to be very, very careful with this. Alright? So, Mr. Ekene Hoffrey, with all due respect, Chief, you said you're a chief. People are still on their way coming to you. No problem. No problem. I'm not against that. Practice what you think you can practice. Do it very, very well. Make sure it is essential. I wouldn't have said anything. The 300,000, I didn't talk about it. No problem. But you see this 3,050,000 naira. I pray no penny goes out of it. Pay him back the money. Alright? Before you know it, those things are what you see. So thank you everyone. My name is Governor Isiagu, the people's governor. Son of the great Shanamite that lives amongst the angels. See you some other time.